Hey chickens, I'm Kris Jung. I'm a Los Angeles-based hair and makeup artist, and I'm going to walk you through 3 levels of a shimmering eye. Level 1 is beginner. Anyone can do this. Someone that's never done makeup can do this. First step is a good primer. I love this one from Lila B because it's also a concealer. So I'm just gonna do it real easy, pop it on with my finger. Next step is putting on a cream shadow. I'm just gonna dip my finger, apply it lightly, and build the color. Next, I'm gonna use a rose gold eyeshadow that's powder to put over the cream to level up the intensity of the rose gold. Next, I'm gonna blend all of this out, and I'm gonna use a small fluffy brush. If you're gonna be doing makeup, you need a fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna just put on this wipe of mascara, and you can do 2 coats for more drama, or just keep it on 1 coat. I'm gonna comb through and then we're done. Warning, this part is very satisfying to watch. Oh! Okay, chickens, this was level 1. It was 3 steps. I believe in you, and I know you can do this at home. Okay, here we are at level 2. We've got a gorgeous rose gold canvas to work with. I'm gonna add a gold graphic line to up the ante and also add a little bit of color underneath my eye as well. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use a white liner. It's gonna be a guide for my gold graphic line. So pro tip, I use tiny little cotton buds. I have pointy ones and I have these ones, which are a little skinnier. Now I'm just gonna crisp, excuse you. That's my dog. And I'm going to use a micellar cleansing water. For the love of God, do not use oil-based makeup remover when cleaning up your lines or your eyeshadow. It's just gonna be a smudgy mess, and we don't want that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go over the white line with a gold liquid liner. So the last step is the last cleanup, which is going to make it look the most stunning. So I'm gonna go in with a small flat brush, and I am going to use the same eyeshadow that I used to lay everything down and really saturate the color and crisp up the edges from the inside. I'm going to add the same colored rose gold eyeshadow underneath my eye as like a drop shadow. Yes, with the rose gold. My ultimate secret is that I use this Ico lengthening skinny brush mascara for my bottom lashes, which creates a lot of drama on my bottom lashes without really having to add any extra individual lashes. So this is level 2. Just with a few simple steps, we really leveled up here. And if you wanna take it to the next level with me, watch level 3. Okay, you've made it to level 3. Now I'm firing off on all cylinders. I'm gonna do rhinestones, glitter gems, highlight the full enchilada. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to pop these little stars on and alternate them through the graphic line on top. And I'm also gonna alternate with a confetti star. Pro tip is using a sticky Q-tip to make it the easiest when it comes to applying the loose gems. I'm gonna use House of Lashes glue. It's really sticky, and that's why I'm using it. And then I'm just gonna pop it wherever I want. I'm gonna start in the middle first, going in now with that clear confetti star. Okay, it's time to work on the other side now. For a little bit more definition, I love using this rose gold liner from Pixi, and I'm gonna line the waterline. It's pretty subtle, but it gives like just a hint of like dewiness in the waterline, which is really nice. So now for some real drama. Some gorgeous silk individual lashes, just to really go all the way off and pop off on you. I like to let them dry and then put mascara at the ends to really blend everything together and give it even more definition. And meanwhile, I'm going to highlight my face. And I'm going to highlight with this gorgeous gold first. I'm gonna level up even more right now and use a Fenty contour stick in Mocha Matchstick. Lips, super easy. Take the same cheek color because it's a multiple. Smush it all over. Last step to really up the ante is a sparkly pink gloss, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Now that the lashes have dried, I am going to just add a bit of mascara the spaceship has landed. We have arrived, full drama. I've gone all the way off to full soft glam drama. So there you have it, 3 levels of a shimmering eye look. And now it's time for us to go out.